Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Start with your back to the camera. Wait 2 counts, then step back into the right with your left foot and turn to the left until you are facing the camera. Lean down as you extend your right arm down, then slowly swing your right arm up into the left until you are pointing straight up. Continue to follow your hand with your eyes as you bend your elbow to bring your right fist down. Bring both fists in near your chest with your left elbow up and your right elbow down, but keep looking to the right. Extend your left arm up and your right arm down, then look up and to the left as you turn your arms in a large counterclockwise circle until your left arm is down and your right arm is up. Bend your knees to the left as you look at the camera and continue to move your right arm in a counterclockwise circle, bending your elbow slightly before straightening your arm again when you begin to move it upwards. Straighten your legs a bit as you punch in and down with your right fist, then bend your knees to the left again as you punch over to the right with your right fist, keeping your elbow bent. Repeat this move, then repeat this move twice in the opposite direction. Repeat this move twice in the opposite direction again. Step in place on your left foot as you swing your left fist up to your chest so that your elbow is pointing outward, then do the same on the right. Move your hands up and out, then down. Step over to the right on your right foot as you bring your left arm forward and your right arm back, then lower your arms as you bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Repeat these moves to the left, then the right, then left, left, and right. Step over to the left on your left foot as you slide your right hand from your left shoulder to your right shoulder. Bring your right knee up as you move your left arm up, then lower your arm and foot as you punch up with your right fist twice. Spin your right arm in a counterclockwise circle over your head as you step out to the right with your right foot, then extend your right arm straight up as you step out to the left with your left foot. Pull your right fist down near your right shoulder. Swing your right arm down and to the left as you step in place on your left foot, then swing your right arm down and to the right as you step in place on your right foot. Bend your knees slightly and lean forward as you move both arms back a bit. Swing your arms up quickly and bend your elbows, bringing your left fist a little further up than your right fist as you bring your left foot up and look at the camera. Bring your left foot back down as you switch the positions of your arms 3 times, turning your right knee to the right at the end. Turn your right knee back in and turn your left knee to the left as you spin your right arm in a counterclockwise circle. When your right fist is above your head again, turn your right knee out. Switch the positions of your arms and legs 3 times, then quickly switch the positions of your arms 3 times, turning your right knee out at the end. Switch the positions of your arms once more as you turn your left knee out. Lower your left arm as you step forward on your left foot and extend your right arm straight toward the camera with your palm facing out. Slide your left foot back, bring your right foot up, and pull your right arm back as well, curling your fingers in, then keeping your right hand in that position, repeat this move in the opposite direction. When you lower your left foot, extend both arms out to either side, then bring both hands up to the back of your head as you bring your right knee up. Hop in place 3 times on your left foot as you turn to the right until you are facing the camera again. Bring your right foot back down and extend your arms straight out to either side. Punch to the opposite side with both fists, crossing your right arm over your left arm as you shake your hips to the left, then uncross your arms and shake your hips to the right, before crossing your arms again and shaking your hips to the left. Place both hands on your chest and shake your hips to the right, then left, then shake them to the right again as you move your arms up and out, then down. Put your fists on your hips and shake your hips to the left, and right. Point to your head with the index finger of your right hand as you shake your hips to the left, and right again. Step in a bit with your left foot as you move your arms up and out slightly, then bring them down as you tap your right foot down next to your left foot with your right knee bent to the left. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Step forward on your left foot as you bring your right arm up and your left arm down, then switch the positions of your arms and bring your right foot back into the right so that you tap your right foot with your right hand. Bring your right foot back down and put your right hand on your hip, then step over to the left with your left foot and point at the camera with your left hand. While facing slightly to the right, spin your hands outward twice, putting your left hand on the inside of your right elbow after the second spin, and bending your right elbow at a 90-degree angle with your fist facing inward. Tilt your head to the left, then back before bringing the side of your right hand up to your forehead and bending and straightening your knees twice. Bring your left foot over to meet your right foot so that you are turned to the right, then bend your knees twice as you slide your hands up your hips twice. Cross your left foot over your right foot and spin to the right until you are facing the camera again, then step back on your right foot as you push forward with both hands and slide your left foot back to meet your right foot. Move your arms forward and up as you step forward on your right foot and turn slightly to the left, then step in place on your left foot and bring your right foot back to meet your left foot as you pull your arms down. Hop in place once, then repeat these moves in the opposite direction, then again in the opposite direction, then once again in the opposite direction. Jump slightly to separate your feet and extend your arms out to either side with your elbows bent slightly. Move your right shoulder in, then do the same on the left. Do this 2 more times with your right shoulder, then put your left hand on your hip and swing your right arm in a big clockwise circle until you are pointing straight up. Turn your right arm in a counterclockwise circle above your head, then pull your fist down near your face.